Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kenneth Kwanda International Airport, where the local time is 40 minutes past 2 in the afternoon and the temperature is 33 degrees Celsius.
Food for you.
Now they think that we want to kill one.
I've been like, where's Felicia?
Oh my god, I can
My
cry.
niece is here. And hi, you look so pretty.
You look so pretty too.
Thank you.
I didn't want to see you because I was trying to be professional.
I'm
working.
working.
Yeah. And do a massage
100%.
because she was so tired, complaining of no, my back and my neck
My
is
back
paining.
and my neck.
Yeah.
And then are you
So
coming to
pretty.
lunch with us?
Yeah.
I'll tell the boss like I'm taking you
Okay.
because you
Yeah.
just need to come.
To have.
Auntie and nephew.
Your wine.
See ya. Nice. More. We're happy now. Yeah.
Okay, do you remember this? They killed Mufasa, the stampede.
We all went Granddaddy's for the first time, I think. What do you think?
Granddaddy's is good. Taste meal.
Out of 10?
Nice.
10 out of 10?
10 out of 10.
Okay. Elisa, how was Granddaddy's?
Granddaddy's was very good, 10 out of 10.
Fantastic.
Nice food.
Uncle, how was Granddaddy's? Cool. Mom, Granddaddy's.
Oh wow, good experience. Yeah. 10 out of 10. I'll go there again and again.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kayonga rocks. Yeah. Good animals, the nice animals. Guys, you see these buggies? That's a bit of me.
The scary car now.
It's a scary car, so I like.
Yeah, for real. Just climb inside.
Next.
That's good, huh?
Drop that drop. They drop it. Cool, but yeah.
Yeah.
Fun. Hey guys, we're in Zambia, we're in Kayonga Rocks. We are just having a great time. Guys, look at this. Look at this place. Come on. You gotta come here.
Yeah.
Right. Let's go and get food now. Yeah. Boom. What? Record.
Yeah. Ah. Whoa. Ah. Yeah, nice. Ah.
Alright guys, I'm a little tired now. Can't keep up with these kids. Can I jump in?
Okay.
Can I jump? First time drinking wine,
Like to put
alcohol,
in
fake.
the backyard, porch. Yeah. And then they have the service.
You'll get used to it. Yeah, a sip at a time.
Plenty of mozzarella, but
Gouda has two flavors. So the first one is the plain. This one has a cumin seed. So the Gouda first discovered in Dutch. They use Gouda for lasagna.
So now for pictures, you're free to stand there and plant. You wanna help, I'm ready to assist.
Uh-huh.